Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to shed some pounds and get into shape, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the top 10 foods that will help you lose fat. That's right, these superfoods will help you burn fat, feel full and stay energized. So let's get started. First up on our list is avocados. These creamy delights are not only delicious but also incredibly effective at burning fat. Packed with healthy fats and fiber, avocados help you feel full longer and reduce cravings. They're also loaded with vitamins and minerals that support your metabolism. Plus, the monounsaturated fats in avocados are heart healthy and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Imagine spreading creamy avocado on toast or adding it to your favorite salad for an extra boost of nutrition. Almonds. Picture this. You're hungry between meals, and instead of reaching for something unhealthy, you grab a handful of almonds. These nuts are perfect for weight loss. High in protein and healthy fats, almonds curb your appetite and keep you satisfied. They're also a great source of vitamin E and magnesium, which regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. Next time you need a snack, go for unsalted, raw almonds to get the maximum benefits. Blueberries. These tiny berries pack a punch. Not only are they low in calories, but they're also high in antioxidants. Blueberries can improve your metabolism and reduce belly fat. They're particularly rich in anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color and have been shown to reduce inflammation. Sprinkle them over your morning yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or just enjoy them as a delicious snack. Eggs. Want a breakfast that keeps you full and boosts your metabolism? Look no further than eggs. They're a fantastic source of high-quality protein and contain all 9 essential amino acids. Eggs are also rich in choline, which supports brain health. Whether you prefer them scrambled, boiled, or poached, make sure to include eggs in your fat loss diet. A protein-rich breakfast can help you eat fewer calories throughout the day. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have plenty more tips and tricks to help you on your weight loss journey. Next up, leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These veggies are low in calories but high in fiber and essential nutrients. They help you feel full and support overall health. Leafy greens are also high in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like folate and iron. Blend them into a smoothie, add them to soups, or make a big salad. The possibilities are endless, and your body will thank you. Salmon. This fatty fish is a game changer for fat loss. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon can reduce inflammation and boost fat burning. It's also a great source of protein, B vitamins, selenium, and potassium. Grill, bake, or pan-sear salmon for a delicious meal that supports your weight loss goals. Pair it with a side of veggies for a balanced and satisfying dinner. Greek yogurt. High in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt is excellent for your digestive health and helps you stay full longer. Probiotics support a healthy gut and improve digestion. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add your own fruit for a healthy snack or breakfast. Use it as a base for smoothies, salad dressings, or as a substitute for sour cream in recipes. Quinoa. This supergrain is perfect for weight loss. Packed with protein and fiber, quinoa keeps you full and satisfied. It's also gluten-free and rich in essential amino acids. Use quinoa as a base for salads, bowls, or as a side dish. You can also use quinoa flour in baking, or add cooked quinoa to soups and stews for extra nutrition. Green tea. Known for its fat-burning properties, green tea can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories. It contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that enhances fat burning, especially during exercise. Enjoy a cup of green tea in the morning or before your workout for an extra fat-burning boost. Try matcha for an even higher dose of antioxidants. Finally, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3s, chia seeds expand in your stomach, helping you feel full longer. They're also high in antioxidants and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or make a chia pudding for a nutritious snack. To make chia pudding, mix chia seeds with your favorite milk. Let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight, and enjoy it with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey. And there you have it, folks. Incorporating these 10 foods into your diet can help you on your weight loss journey. Remember, consistency is key. Combine these foods with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. If you're looking to speed up your weight loss process, click the link in the description below for more tips and resources. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Let us know in the comments which of these foods you're excited to try. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.